So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this earring. I call it Tricia. So get your materials ready and let's get started. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Let's dig in. Here are the beads that we'll be using for this project. This is a size 2 or 11 seed or per kilo. This is a 4mm transparent yellow. So these are the rounds that we can use: the 8mm lemon pearl, or you can also use the 10mm gold pearl or the 10mm stone casted round. We're going to use a fishing line, a 0.30 fishing line with a size 12 needle. So cut off a comfortable length of thread and fix your needle and fix your thread to your needle, and you're ready to get started. So pick up a pearl, an 8mm pearl with your first 6 seed beads. Now pass back into from the other end, and you have made a half circle on the 8mm. Now go ahead and pick up new 6 pieces of it. Now pass around it. You have a circle. Pass into one of the 6 pieces. Of your. Now pick up 2 pieces of your yellow seeds and pass into. So this is so far what you've done. Pass through, pass to the other side. You have made a circle. So pick up 7 new seeds for a new leaf and add 4 more beads to 8, and now you have a total of 11 beads. Next up is pass back through the 4th seed to make your right angle weave and a picot. You have it here. Now you need to pick up 7 new seeds for the nest and pass into the 3 seeds closest on the circle, and you have completed your leaf. Now pick up a seed and a round to close up and pass diagonally on the seed, and you have it. So I've gotten this. Now pass through the opposite side of it. So here I have picked my new sequence. This is the first 6 seeds. Next to it a middle one, which is 7th seed, and the last 3 sequence, which I will use for my right angle weave at the tip. And we have made this part. So the next step, This is another blue one I made, and here I just followed the steps and I made it. So here are the materials I'll be needing for the earring. So you'll be needing studs, any kind of stud, then you need cone shape bead cap or any kind of cap that you have. Then go for your bead pieces. Also go for flat end wires that you have, and teardrop, 10mm teardrop I have. Then you need finally split rings. You need pliers too. I have some old rusty pliers. They're working, they're in good shape, only that they are rusted, so I can still use it. But add your wire into your teardrop, and then you need to make a loop here.